Hello everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Godrej Worli by Godrej Properties located in Worli. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. Also, you can see the project is located near to Nehru Planetarium and this is the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform. The listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 3.5 acres that will have 3 towers, now launching 2 towers, in which Tower A will have 3 levels of basement, ground plus 8 podium plus 33 residential floors, and Tower B having 3 levels of basement, ground plus 8 podium plus 66 residential floors having 3 BHK and 4 BHK large deck luxurious apartments. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Annie Besant Road near to Atria Mall, Worli, from where Worli Naka is only at a distance of 500 meters. You can see the coastal road behind me that is also only at a distance of 500 meters. Worli Sea Link is only at a distance of 1 kilometer and upcoming Worli Shivri connector is only at a distance of 2 kilometers from the project. And now talking about the amenities, this project has 70 plus ultra luxurious amenities with health club and spa, rock climbing, Wi-Fi zone, multi-purpose court, Zen garden, senior citizen area, jogging track, cascading waterfall, rainforest, walkway lane, meditation zone, cricket pitch, skating rink, pet zone, open air sit out and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configuration and carpet area, as said, this project has 3 BHK and 4 BHK large deck luxury residences with 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1700 plus square feet, 4 BHK in the carpet area of 2100 plus square feet and 4 BHK skyplex in the carpet area of 2600 square feet. And now talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the client can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 10% of the agreement value. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Godrej Worli by Godrej Properties located in Worli.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.